This is a video on class 7 mathematics chapter 1 sets, and in this part we are going to start exercise 1.2. Question number 1. Classify the following sets as finite or infinite. So finite means something which is definite or something which is limited, and infinite is which has no ending. So set of 4 consecutive natural numbers. So whichever natural numbers you take, whether it is 1 2 3 4 or 91 92 93 94, so the set will only consist of 4 elements. Okay, so in that case it's a finite set of odd numbers. So the odd numbers will start from 1. Okay, so 1 3 5 7, and it will continue, it's never ending, so it's infinite. Number E, set of members of the UNO, so it is something which is specified and limited, so it's finite. Number F, set of the multiples of 3, again multiples of 3, it's never ending, so it's an infinite set. Question number 2, check the following sets as empty, non-empty or singleton. So empty set where there will be no elements, non-empty. Okay, before that, singleton means which consists of only one element, and non-empty means more than one element is to be considered as non-empty. So starting with A, set of the vowels in the word dangerous. So in the word, so let the set be A is equal to, so the vowels in the word dangerous is A, E, O, U. So we are having more than one element, so it's a non-empty set. Number B, set of the multiples of 5 more than 6 and less than 11. So more than 6 less than 11 we have only 10. So let the set name be B. So B is equal to 10. So there is only one element, hence it's a singleton set. Number D, A is equal to x such that x belongs to natural number and 3x plus 4 equals to 9. So let us put x in place of x, let us put the natural number, that is 1. So 3 ones are 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. So this equation does not fulfills. Okay, next again we'll put 2 in the place of x. So 3 to the 6 plus 4 is equal to 10, which also doesn't fulfills. So this shows that this set A has no elements. So it's an empty set. Number F, set of the multiples of 3 greater than 2 and less than 7. So multiple of 3 greater than 2, so we have 3 and 6. So set F will have 3 and 6 two elements, hence it's a non-empty set. Question number 3, write the cardinal number of each of the following set. Cardinal number means we have to count the element of each set and we have to write it down. So A, set A is equal to 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. So just count the number of elements. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in total there are 5 elements. So we are going to write it as NA is equal to 5. So N, small letter N represents the cardinal number. Next question number C. C is equal to x such that x belongs to Z and x is greater than equals to minus 3 and less than equal to 5. So Z means integer, and so it will start from minus 3 and it will end till 5. So set C is equal to minus 3. So we are writing in the roster form first. So minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in total there are 9 elements. So NC is equal to 9. E, so E equals to x such that x equals to 2n plus 1. N is greater than equal to 1 and less than equal to 5, and n belongs to natural number. So in place of n we are going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 ones are 2 plus 1 is 3. So first we are writing in the roster form. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 is 5. 2 3s are 6 plus 1 is 7. 2 4s are 8 plus 1 is 9. 2 5s are 10 plus 1 is 11. So in total we can see there are 5 elements. So NE is equal to 5. Number F, F equals to x such that x belongs to n, that is natural number, and x is equal to, so here the equation is your 3 z square minus 1. Okay, the equation is 3z square minus 1. So in place of z we are going to put minus 1, 1, 0, sorry, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. So if we are putting minus 1 square, so minus 1 square is 1. So 3 ones are 3, minus 1 is 2. If we put 0 over here, so 3 zeros are 0, minus 1 is minus 1, and it is mentioned that x should be a natural number, so we are not going to consider minus 1 over here. Okay, again putting plus 1 in the place of z square, so 1 square is 1, so 3 ones are 3, minus 1 is 2. So already we have written 1 2, so we are not going to repeat any elements. And last we have 2, so 2 square is 4, 4 3s are 12, minus 1 is 11. So there are two elements we are getting over here, one is 2 and one is 11, and nf is equal to 2. So there are only two. Cardinal number for the set f is 2. Moving on to question number 4, state which of the following sets are equivalent, non-equivalent or equal. So equivalent means where the cardinal number of the two sets will be equal. Okay, where the cardinal number, that means the number of elements of each set will be equal, that is known as equivalent. But it might not, like all the elements might not be similar. Okay, non-equivalent, that is obviously there will be a number of elements of one set is not going to be equal with the number of elements of the other set. Equal is when we'll see that it has exactly the same elements in both the sets. Okay, in both the set the elements are going to match with one another, that will be known as equal. So starting with number A, question 4a, A equals to x such that x is equal to 2n minus 1. Here n is greater than equals to 1 and less than equal to 6. N belongs to natural number. So let us first write the okay, and next set B is given as x such that x equals to 2n, where n is greater than equal to 1 and less than equal to 6, and n belongs to natural number. So in this case what we are going to do is first we are going to write down the roster form of the both the sets. So set A, if I put 1, we'll start with 1 and we'll end till 6. So in place of n, first we'll write 1. So 2 ones are 2, minus 1 is 1. So 2 twos are 4, minus 1 is 3. 2 3s are 6, minus 1 is 5. 2 4s are 8, minus 1 is 7. 2 5s are 10, minus 1 is 9. 2 6 are 12, minus 1 is 11. So in total we can see that the number of elements in A, set A, is 6. Similarly for roster form of set B, so 2n, so 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 six are 12. Here also the cardinal number for set B is 6. So and just match the elements. See, we can see that the elements are not matching in set A and B, so it's not equal. And since the cardinal numbers for set A and set B are equal, we can say that these two sets are equivalent sets. Number B, set of vowels in the word molar, and set of number B, set of vowels in the word artistic. So set A, we have two vowels O and A. Set B, we have two vowels A and I. So cardinal number for set A is 2, cardinal number for set B is 2. So since the two elements are not equal in both the set, hence it's not equal, but they are considered as equivalent set. Number E, A is equal to set of multiples of 9 more than 16 and less than 15. So let us write the card in the roster form. A equals to, so multiples of 9 more than 16 and less than 50 is 18, 27, 36, 45. So the cardinal number for set A is 4. Set B, set of multiples of 3 more than 17 and less than 35. So more than 17 we have 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33. So here the cardinal number for set B is 6. So we can see that the cardinal numbers are not matching. Obviously they are not equal as well. So this is a non-equivalent set. Okay. So since NA is not equal to NB, thus A and B are non-equivalent sets. Number F, A is equal to set of multiples of 5 less than 30. So let us write the roster form of set A. So A equals to 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and set B is already, it is given in the roster form, that is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So we can see that exactly the same elements are there in A and B both. So in that case we can say that this set A and set B both are equal. Okay, so this is the end of part 2 and exercise 1.2. Thank you for watching.